Babe, can I use your phone or something to listen to music? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little bit different, or a lot different. I haven't ever done anything like this before. But I'm pretty much just gonna have Kyle do my voiceover for this look, which I want to say is gonna be really funny, but at the same time, he knows a lot about makeup. Like, a lot. Not a lot, like, in general, but for a guy, like, way more than any man should know about makeup. Like, he knows where to cut creases. Like, just, I don't know if he's paying attention, but I guess he has to be. But yeah, so I hope this is funny. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if anything gets posted if it's not funny or funny-ish. But yeah, if you want to see him attempt to do my voiceover for this look, just keep watching.
Gotta drink your Red Bull. Then you gotta pin the hair back. And then the other side back. And then you're gonna get this little black circle and this brush with your hands, and you're gonna dip it in the black box, and you're gonna swipe your eyebrows up and pencil it in like so. You want to get it nice and dark. Just keep coloring your brows in, and then put more color in them, and put more line around them, and then scratch them with your brush. Pretend that you have nice brows. And then my dirty hands, Jesus Christ. Squirt it on the thing, and then put lighter stuff underneath my eyebrows. And just pencil it in again. Brush it around. Get rid of that unibrow. Now you gotta go on top. Pencil it in again. Drink more Red Bull. Ooh, Jaclyn Hill. Ooh, more brushes and dirty hands. Now we're gonna put some red stuff on my eyelids. Another brush. Put some more stuff on my eyelids. Blend that in really nice and good. Use the brown circle with another brush. Just do circular motions like so. Really pencil it in there. Really blend it really, really good. Looks like I got punched in the eye. And then use another lighter brown circle and blend that in really, really, really good. And then use a darker brown circle with my dirty hands. And then put that in the crease of your eyelid. And just keep blending. Blend and blend, and just put more stuff on your eyelid. Put a black stuff on your eyelid? What is that? And just keep going. And go back to the same one that you did earlier. And put that on your eyelid. Now you want to get inside of your nose, the bridge, I guess you call that. And then some light stuff with another brush. And now you're just going to go over all the dark stuff you just did with the light stuff and completely block it out. You almost want to pretend like you never even put the other stuff on. Yeah, you just want to, yep, just leave it just like that and get another brush. Yeah, see how I'm basically blocking out the stuff that I spent like 10 minutes on. Now we're going to pull out another palette. And we're just going to keep dabbing in the same spot over and over again. And do absolutely nothing. Oh wait, we're gonna go back over the light thing with the dark stuff that we already tried to cover it up. And then you just want to have kind of like a light streak on your eyelid. And then just keep blending that. And then a really fancy tube with my dirty hands. Now we're putting glitter on the thing that we tried covering up the black eye with. And you just want to put a whole bunch of glitter on there. Make it really just shine. Fan it off. Oh, hey guys, my other eye magically just got finished. Now we're going to put a black line around her eyes. And we're just going to keep doing that. Oh, there's a wing. Can't forget the wing. My best favorite mascara ever. Gonna apply it up. Go up and look down, which is creepy as hell. Then just keep doing that until your eyelashes are like 12 inches long. Oh, and then we're gonna just add eyelashes onto them to make them even longer. So now we're gonna go for like 20 inches. Put the glue on the eyelashes, blow on them, and stick them to our eye. And just let them dangle there. Then you want to grab the edges and really get it on your eye. Poke it right there, and poke the other side. And just keep pushing them on there. Put dots on your face. Rub the dots into your face. And rub it in real good. Smell my fingers. And then put foundation maybe. Squirt it on the thing. And then take another brush. I have so many brushes. And you just blend it in. And then you just circular motions on my forehead. Just keep blending it in. Look at myself in the mirror. Then we're going to take some more light stuff. And what the hell? More brushes. I have so many brushes. Blend that in real nice and good. Make my face not tan. Really light. It's like a pasty brown. Kind of look like a skeleton. Get the forehead. Go underneath the eyes. And lock it in with this brush, another brush with white powder under the eyes. Makes your skin look shiny. And then MAC brown powder. Do the same thing you did with the other 100 products that I just put on my face. Hula. Oh my God, my hands are dirty. Rub more product in my face in a circular motion. It's really important that you put as many layers as you possibly can on. You want to go for at least, I would say 33 layers. Ooh, that's a shiny new palette. Then you're going to take this other brush that I happened to find, and you really want to pucker up like you're kissing a fish. Get the neck. Another brush, Jesus Christ. And then another palette with pink stuff, and another brush. Oh my God. And just smile kind of funny when you do it, because you really want to get your cheeks nice and toned. Ooh la la. Get the forehead. Get my chin. And another brush. I guess this is highlighter. Looks shiny. Looks sparkly. Getting your cheeks all nice and glitterish-ishy, I guess. And then your nose. Can't forget your nose either. And your lips. And your eyes. And then, oh, now we're going gold highlight. And we're putting it on our chest. And then my hands are dirty. And we're going to put some black stuff in the inside of our eyeball. Oh my God. What the hell? Now we got to get the other eye. And another little brush. And we're going back to the little brown that we used before. We're going to apply underneath the eyes. And now we're going to another brown or reddish, maybe maroon, underneath the eyeballs. Really blend it in and push it in good. Just keep doing it over and over again. That thing's wore out. And just go over the same thing that I just did. Basically like I never even did the other thing. Ooh, hair flash whip thing. Carly Bible with another brush. Squirt, squirt. And then put a little white dot right in the crease of your eyeball thing. Make it really shiny. Put more mascara on my fake lashes and my real lashes to make them really long, 20 inches or so. And my hands are so dirty. Putting on that lip gloss. Make my lips all plump and juicy. Take those hair clips out. Voila, I am a babe. God damn.